Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Right Direction. Last but not the least, today I am going to teach about the past tense. What is past? Definitely it will create a sense what that past. Past means let bygone be bygone, nothing late. That means not today, not tomorrow, but yesterday. So, how the past really deals in our real life? In which way you know? That means verb form is past, tense is two types as I am telling, present tense and past tense. And here your verb that is past to second form that is known as if present form is go, second form is went, then come. And here it is as I am telling to, it, IT, did, was, where, heart, just like this. So in which way we will explain which is present for, which is present, which is past, which is future. Maybe, but such is the diagram, such is the replica in which way you will definitely analyze whether it is simple, whether it is continuous, whether it is perfect and whether it is perfect continuous. Suppose in the past, yesterday, in simple, you are in home, you go, that means when you continue, that is known as continuous. And when you, that similar meaning, the synonyms of continuous is progress. What is continuous? That is progressive. Progress. And when you are continuing, that is continuous. And when you reach your destination, that is known as perfect. And when after finish and you go, perfect is not complete. Perfect means you will reach your destination, then work is not finished, maybe then you leave to your original destination. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ତୁମ ନିଜ destination, when you return back to your original destination, in that case that is known as perfect continuous. So in which way you will identify that the tense is really is in past tense. And here it is as I am telling did, was, where, had. Then pre means before, previous, yesterday as it is mentioned. Then before is also past, yesterday is also past. Previous day, the synonyms of yesterday is previous day, similar meaning. And that while also that relates to your past, if you know or not. But today you will confirm that while and when is also deals with the past tense. So how to deal with them? First, since once, if you read any story, any novel, what you find? Once, one day, or long ago, once upon a time. If these are mentioned, definitely it will be easy for you to identify the sentences in past tense. By the way, we will, or last night, by the way, we will make analysis how the past tense really affects in our day-to-day life. The reason to explain the simple past. What is the simple past? The simple past deals with an action and a work that took place in the past. For instance, not now. In the past means yesterday. Yesterday the action or the work took place and was completed. That means now I am talking to you. When I am talking to you, in that case the work is already finished. When the work is already finished, so in that case I am telling this. Then the formula is subject plus verb to. To means that is past form. The second form, then object. Then the question answer is I played cricket. Remember that is the second formula or past form I play cricket. Then the question in which way in your exam, definitely as you know that today, every day, the question is coming in this pattern. You will follow this pattern unless or until if you don't follow, then definitely the problem you will face. No one will face because you are the creator, you are the maker, you are the breaker of your own destiny. तुम्हें हो सब कुछ for your everything is on you. So the question comes Yesterday he dashed to the market. That means he go or gone or went. That means as it is mentioned that verb is second form. Here it is went to the market. That type of question answer is this. Then second is she does the newspaper. She reads, reading. Remember, read has three forms. Read. You can read like this. Read. But the spelling is such read, but the pronunciation we can use this as read. And third question is, these are the examples. By the way, you can get your confidence. How I am confident about that. Third is he does to our house a day before. That means whether it is comes or coming, but definitely as it is he came. A day before means as it is past tense, it is came. Okay. Now see about the progressive or the continuous. Progressive or continuous relates to that. That means when you are going, progressing. And as I am telling, here past progressive, present progressive is completely different. For past progressive, it is to talk about an action, means to talk about a work. Talk about a work as it was actually taking place. That means it has already taken place. It was actually taking place. That means if you go, something happened, something is continuing, something is going on. And how to write? The formula is subject plus was where plus verb in ing plus object. So definitely it is okay. And at the example now, at 9 last night we were. If it is we were having dinner at home at 9. It is written. Then the question arises in which way you will appear the most of the examination. In that examination, what you get the multiple choice question. And how to appear the multiple, definitely it will create a problem for you. And this, you know, as I am telling, if there is while and when, you definitely identify. If there is while and when you definitely identify that must be the past continuous. So that must be the past continuous. So definitely you will go and choose the option. Here is ready for you. While you are read and write, that means in this structure the question like this will arise. Then like this. So as I am telling, what is happen while you are reading, you were reading or was reading, there definitely you take were reading, and if it is I was writing, then while and when, as I am telling, you definitely deals with the past tense. Then when I does speak, you does listen. When I was speaking, you were listening. Definitely it will create no sense of doubt. Then so that is past perfect tense. How perfect? That means everything is perfect. Means when you reached there, your work is in perfect. You reach, go, when you are going, that is continuous. When you reach there, perfect. And what is that perfect? Remember, it is used. That means perfect tense is used to refer to an action which had already begun. Action that had already begun. That means in last stage. Before another action took place, before another work took place, but that work had already begun. So in the past means as you are telling about yesterday, previous day, last night, these are the things you in which way you can know that is the past. So how the formula is subject plus had plus verb 3. Verb 3 is your past participle form of the verb. That is, if it is go, went, then gone. And you got do, did, done, play, played, like this. This is the past participle form of the verb. Then immediate subject. Then the example, I have finished the work. That means here you definitely identify these are these are related to the past perfect tense. Similarly, here is also same. And the question in your competitive exam, in your any kind of exam, such kind of question will arise. He does do the work. That means write the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. He does do the work yesterday. That means do, does, or did done. But the answer here is had done the work yesterday. He had done the answer is here, done the yesterday. The second is she does complete her homework. She does complete. That means finish. So completed or completes, had completed. Completing. So definitely she had completed her homework yesterday. The present discussion is based on the past perfect progressive or continuous. What is progressive? That means after perfect you return to your destination. When you return to your particular place, that is known as perfect progressive. So it is used to talk about. That means this is going to talk about what? Speak about what? Speak about the duration, the time, the particular time of an activity up to a certain point, of an activity, of an work up to a certain point or certain period in the past. In the past, not in the present, because these are the identification mark. So subject plus had plus been plus verb in ing plus subject, that is the formula. So we should based on the formula, because we know that put the formula and get the answer. That is the principle for which way we can deal it. And in your examination, what type of question will arise? That means she had been studying here since 2006. These things should be mentioned here particularly. And she does wait for half an hour when the train arrived. She does wait for. That means had been waiting, wait or waited or waiting. Definitely as it is in past perfect, so the answer is this. So I does work as a school teacher. That means I am doing my work as a school teacher for 2 years. For 2 years before I became a lecturer. Before I became a lecturer, that means the work had been doing. That work had been continuing. So in that case, will is worked, working, or had been working or work. So finally the answer is had been working. So in this way we know about the past tense and how the question arises in your academic, your competitive exam. You will definitely know in which way you will solve. And particularly in this past tense, most of the questions will definitely appear in your examination. So thank you all of you. Please subscribe my channel The Right Direction and share and click the like button. Thank you.